Hello everyone. If you will look right up there, right there where my finger's pointing, there is a birdhouse that I put up there maybe, how many years ago was that? 2.5, 3? Anyway, an enterprising squirrel has decided to make its home in there, even though it has split apart and there's no, half the roof is gone. So I have no other choice but to renovate it for this mama squirrel. And a lot of times you'll see her during the day kind of laying in there with her head sticking out. So I'm going to fix it up, and she's going to be so surprised.
Extreme Makeover.
Squirrel edition!
This ladder is not quite tall enough. So I'm going to try to stick it back together here with some wood that I have. She's right up top there, watching me. I'll get this in there before she attacks. There she is. Hello, Mama Squirrel. We're gonna fix your house up. Whew, that's scary. Hello, Mama Squirrel. We're just fixing your house up, that's all. Just fixing your house up. Don't get upset. Here she comes. Let's see what she thinks of it. She should inspect it now. Time for a little squirrel home inspection. See if she approves. Move the ladder. Do you like it? How do you like it? Do you like it? Well, right about now she's debating, do I stay here and enjoy the new repairs, or do I move all of the little pups to another location because I now know that somebody knows where they're at. So her little pea brain is trying to process that, so we'll have to wait and see what she does. Hopefully she'll stay. It's the morning after, and I'm happy to say that she has not moved her babies. At least it doesn't appear that she has. And she's on top of the repaired home, enjoying the morning sun on her new roof. So happy day.